You clicked on this video for a reason, to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio without TikTok blocking it or hiding the button. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show exactly how to unlock the link feature, how to add it, and the mistakes that keep the button from showing. First, you need a business account. The link button doesn't show on personal accounts, so open TikTok, Profile, Menu, Settings, and Privacy. Account, switch to Business Account. Pick any category. It doesn't matter for the link. Once you switch, your bio instantly supports clickable links. Next, add the actual link. Go to Edit Profile, tap Website, and paste your URL. TikTok accepts most links, but avoid shady redirects. They get blocked. When you save it, refresh your profile once, and the link button should appear. If you don't see the website option, it's usually one of two things. You're under 18, or your region restricts link access for new accounts. In that case, stick with a direct URL in your bio text, or use a link hub like Linktree until the website field unlocks. Pro tip: shorten long URLs before adding them. Cleaner links get more taps, and TikTok is less likely to flag them. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the issue you're having, and I'll fix it with you.